These are the 10 best side hustles for introverts. No calls, no videos, just work from home.
So if you hate talking to people, you don't like being on cameras, these side hustles help you earn quietly, and it's just you, your laptop, or your phone.
Yes, without further ado, let's get into the side hustles. Hey guys, welcome back to Star Pen Sisters, and in today's video we're going to be showing you the 10 side hustles for introverts.
Yes, so before we go into this video, if you're not among the family, make sure you subscribe and join the family, to show you the way. So now we have these 10 side hustles for introverts. Number one is freelance writing. We have platforms like Upwork and ProBlogger. They're on your screen. All you have to do is to write articles on these platforms. They pay you well and they are very suitable.
The next platform is called ghostwriting. You're going to become a ghostwriter on platforms like Redseed and Fiverr, and you're going to be writing books, articles, blogs, as long as you want to earn money online and you become a ghostwriter.
Yes, so now on to the third side hustle for introverts: transcription. Now we have websites and companies like Rev and Transcribe Me. They pay you to transcribe their audios into like written text. Now, and these audios are in English, so if you're good in speaking English and you can write English, you definitely can work as an audio transcriptor in Rev and Transcribe Me.
The next one is data entry. You're going to be working on platforms like Clickworker and Microworkers, and you're going to just be entering the data that they will be giving to you, information needed accurately, on time, and organized.
Yeah, so the next side hustle is selling Canva templates. Now we have platforms like Etsy. I'm sure you all know Etsy, and Creative Market. Now these templates can be created through Canva, and you can use the free version, but you majorly need the pro version. So if you want to learn how to create templates on Canva to sell on Etsy or Creative Market, make sure you subscribe and comment. I'm interested in this one because it's cute.
And now the next one is being an affiliate marketer on platforms like being an Amazon associate and selling a sell, and working on platforms like Prompt and Sellers.
For Africa, that's cute. So the next one is print on demand. Now print on demand, like you are simply like a designer in a unique way. Like your designs can be on t-shirts, they can be on cups, they can be on other cute stuff, and you can use platforms like Redbubble and Teespring. These are big companies that they need more designers and craft. If you're creative and you can design on your phone or your iPad, so it's a new set of something anybody can learn, which is quiet and so easy. You are done in a day and you have gotten your money.
Now the next one is proofreading. You're going to be a proofreader on Scribeband and Proofreading Plow. We do have a detailed video, so make sure you check that out down below. And yes, the next one is Pinterest
management. Now Pinterest is a very big platform. We all know it's on your screen. Pinterest, and it's so creative for pictures, for videos. So as a Pinterest manager, they need you to post for them, create pins, like I said, through Canva also, because Canva is very, very productive. So if you want to do that, that's a very good side hustle that is stable because you grow in the industry, definitely.
And now the next one is having a faceless channel. You don't have to show your face. You're just going to be editing videos facelessly and monetizing your YouTube channel.
Yes, so all these side hustles for introverts, we want to really emphasize, come closer. No meetings,
no video calls,
no talking to strangers or anybody. No talking required.
Yes,
in general. So
make sure you check it online and start earning as an introvert.
And thrive, introverts thrive. And
make sure you keep us intact. Make sure you keep us
on the log of your journey. Yes. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.